something material thing. It's not like that. And whatever, why professional? Because there is a exchange of energy, karmic exchange. It happens. You must know what you are going to do. You must know what you are undergoing. What is the process? How healing happens? What is past life regression? Just briefly, very briefly. Because you said you have never undergone any session like that. If we have not lived before, and we are here just by chance, and it also involves that we are here the first time. If we have not lived before, this only means logically, I am saying it logically, that we are here first time. Am I right? Am I clear to you? If we have not lived before, this means we are here first time. Then can you please tell me, why do we carry sometimes certain different behavior, psychic behavior, memories, different kind of dreams, even twins, those who are born together, twins, twins, triplets, quadruplets, they look alike. They look same in physique, in eyes, features and everything. But their thinking may be vastly different. Why? Their behavior may be vastly different. Their likings may be vastly different. Their inclinations and desires may differ. Why? What is the reason? What is the cause behind? They are born first time, the twins I am talking about, at the same time, just some seconds difference maybe. Why then they differ so much in their thinking, memories, desires, liking, intentions, inclinations, propensities, etc.? Why? This only indicates that something else has been there before the birth. This is the simple and very, very simple answer to that.